You know. And that changes everything. Not because of what they did, but because of what you do next. You've realized the person you called a friend was never really a friend. Maybe they collected your secrets, watched your weaknesses, or carried your private plans into conversations where they never belonged. Your first instinct may be to confront them. Don't. The moment you confront someone, you reveal what you know, how much you know, and how deeply they affected you. Through a Machiavellian lens, the smarter move is simple. Don't expose what you discovered. Change the relationship. Here are 5 rules for moving in silence after you discover a fake friend. Rule 1. Never confront. Recalibrate. You want them to admit what they did. You want them to know you finally see them clearly. But what do you gain? If you confront them, they learn exactly what exposed them. Now they can change their behavior, hide their tracks, or manipulate the story. Instead, recalibrate. Don't accuse them. Don't announce your discovery. Simply change how you deal with them. Share less. Explain less. Give them less access to your time and emotions. You don't need to win an argument with someone you no longer trust. You need to understand the situation clearly. Don't reveal what you know. Change what they can access. Rule 2. Stop feeding the intelligence. Every piece of personal information can become ammunition in the wrong hands. Your plans, your fears, your weaknesses, your next move. Once you know someone cannot be trusted, stop supplying them with information. You don't need to lie. You simply stop volunteering access. If they ask about your plans, you don't have to give them every detail. If you're building something, let it be finished before you announce it. Information creates access, and access creates influence. The less someone knows about your inner world, the less power they have to interfere with it. Information is access, and access is earned. Rule 3. Make your absence gradual. You may want to disappear overnight, but a dramatic exit can reveal that you've discovered something. Instead, reduce access gradually. Reply less, share less, explain less. Become slightly less available. Not to punish them, not to play games. You're simply changing the relationship to match what you've learned. The person who once had unlimited access to your time may now receive very little. The person who knew your plans may now know nothing. You don't need a dramatic ending. You simply make their access obsolete. Don't announce your withdrawal. Make your access disappear. Rule 4. Let them reveal themselves. Once you stop giving someone information and attention, watch what happens. A genuine friend may notice the distance and respect your boundaries. Someone attached to your access may react differently. They may ask more questions. They may suddenly want to know what you're working on, where you're going, or what you're planning. Pay attention. When access disappears, motives often become visible. You don't have to accuse anyone. You don't have to investigate them. Just observe. If they respect your boundaries, you've learned something. If they become desperate to regain access, you've learned something else. Don't expose them. Let their behavior expose them. Rule 5. Rebuild your position in silence. This is where most people get it wrong. They waste energy trying to prove the fake friend was wrong. They want revenge. They want to be seen winning. But that still gives the other person power. The real end game is different. Take the energy you were wasting on the relationship and put it somewhere else. Build privately. Improve privately. Plan privately. Heal privately. The people who once thought they understood your life should not have a front row seat to your future. You don't need to tell them what you're becoming. You don't need their approval when you arrive. Your greatest advantage isn't making them jealous. It's becoming impossible for them to interfere. By the time they notice you've changed, The change should already be complete. Not revenge, not exposure, not proving them wrong. Simply becoming so focused on your own direction that their opinion becomes irrelevant. Your greatest advantage is not being underestimated. It's being unknown. So go back to the beginning. You know, and that changes everything. But now you know something else. You know exactly what to do with that knowledge. Don't confront. Don't explain. Don't announce your next move. Change what they can access. Move differently. Move quietly. And let the results speak for you. Because sometimes, the moment you discover who someone really is the moment you finally become free to stop giving them access to who you are.